I started this Instagram theme page few weeks back and already got 2.3 million views. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make $100 on WarriorPlus with Instagram. Step 1. Go to Instagram and create your account and search affiliate marketing and choose one of the trending video. Copy the affiliate link and step 2. Go to repost. You can download this app from App Store or Play Store and paste the link. Now post that video on your Instagram theme page, but don't forget to give video credit to the creator. Step 3. Go to your Warrior Plus account and go to affiliate offers. If you don't have any approved offers, you can request for approval to the creator of the offer. You can choose any of the products you can promote. Now click the affiliate link and copy your affiliate link and go to Bitly and sort on your affiliate link. Now go back to Instagram and paste your affiliate link on your link page. Here you can see our affiliate link is working. Step 4. Share your post on your story with your affiliate link. If you want to know how I'm making passive income with affiliate marketing, you can join this system, which is absolutely free. To join this system, click yes, I want to unlock my free system right now and fill your name and email here. The link of this system is in the description below.